Can you install a ceiling fan in less than 1 minute? You absolutely can. With this Bell & Howell product, you literally have a standard light bulb socket there and it will just screw in. Could not be easier. Now, if you have this type of old-fashioned light fixture, it will not work for you. That's pointing the wrong direction. You do need a light fixture that is pointing straight down for this easy fan conversion. And then it's a fan in the box with all the parts you need. You literally just snap the fan blades on. It comes with a remote control and a wall mount, and it even comes with an extension so it can be further away from your ceiling. The fan blades simply snap in place. There you go. Another cool feature about this easy ceiling fan mount is it's so lightweight. Even if you have a plastic box up here, that's going to be strong enough to support your new ceiling fan light fixture. Okay, so as long as you have a light fixture that's pointing down, you are good to go with this easy Bell & Howell fan. Go ahead and just screw it into your standard light fixture. Just hand tight is all you want. Let's go ahead and turn on the power and test it. Okay, so that's working fine. Now the use cases for this are many. You might have this type of light fixture or any downward pointing light fixture in your garage, your basement, a dark attic, possibly a bedroom, home office. There's many good use applications for this. Now the provided remote control, you simply pull out the battery slip. This is the master on and off, and you have 3 different fan speeds and 3 different light brightnesses. I will tell you, it throws off a large amount of air. On high, it actually feels great. It's a very hot day. This is great. So you have 3 speeds on the fan. You have 3 light intensities. Now the remote control, you can simply mount the holder to the wall and you can drop that right in. Now the overall size of this fan, very compact. It is 16 inches across, and then it'll extend down from your ceiling approximately 9 inches to the bottom of the light fixture. Super easy to use. Check the video description down below for more information. Let me know if you have any questions at all. This is one I know you can do it yourself.